We are now at a point wherein the House has to demonstrate its will. The framers of the Constitution have shown us the way. We have to demonstrate our will. We indicated that if you would just wait for the Mueller report, this would then give us reason to either move forward or not move forward. We have not moved forward as we should with impeachment. We have the Mueller report. And we're at a point now, Ms. Goodman, where the House itself is on trial in the court of public opinion. The question is, will we allow the time-honored system of checks and balances to be destroyed by this president? Your news report has indicated that he has resisted. In fact, he's stonewalling. He doesn't allow subpoenas. He doesn't allow witnesses to testify. And the question is, will he then amass this enormous amount of power that the framers never intended him to have? This is the equivalent of becoming a monarch. We don't want a monarchy, we want democracy, and impeachment is the means by which we maintain the check on the president so as to keep the balance of power. The Mueller report gives us a good deal of obstruction of justice that has been committed by the president. We can act on the obstruction of justice. But I also have contended and still contend that the president has infused his bigotry into policy. I think this is impeachable as well. I have indelibly imprinted in my brain that baby standing at the border crying while she is being separated from parents. This is not what a great country does. We cannot allow a president to talk about African countries as S-hole countries and then engage in the process of developing an immigration plan. We can't have a president who is going to say that they're very fine people among the biggest, the racists, the xenophobes, the homophobes who were in Charlottesville, where a woman lost her life protesting against bigotry, and do nothing about it. His bigotry is worthy of his being impeached, but his obstruction of justice is what I think a good many people will focus on. That obstruction of justice is something we cannot allow to go unchecked. 800 plus former prosecutors, federal prosecutors, have indicated that this president has obstructed justice, and were he anyone else, he would be impeached. He would be prosecuted if he were anyone else. In this country, if you run a stop sign and the police are aware of it, then you're going to pay a price. If you speed, you're going to pay a price. If you're a welfare mother and you defraud the welfare state of its money, which is the government of the United States of America, in the sense of welfare, then you're going to have to pay for that. We all pay for our crimes. No one is above the law. If the Congress doesn't act, what we are saying is the president is above the law, and it's okay to interfere with an investigation, which is critical to our investigative process to make sure people understand that you cannot do.